To go big, we have to have something unique to say. To have a high-level vision is unique. It gives you a unique value proposition. It gives you something different to say in the marketplace. Your competitors walking the foothills, having a nice easy hike, enjoying the low view. You've decided to climb the mountain. You've decided to do something extraordinary, and that requires clarity. The problem is that most of the industry does operate at this lower level. And in so doing, we've trained our customers to expect low-level things. We have learned to tell the customers what their experience with us should look like. When you start trying to talk about going big and going high, it shifts everything in our thought process. We start putting the customers in front of our development thought process. We start looking for value proposition components that are in fact unique. We're surrounded because of our industry history with folks who mostly do it all the same way. And our insulation is geography, it's distance. I've got a 2, 3, 5-mile circle around my shop, and as long as in the center of it, I'm as good as anybody else doing it the same way, I'll be just fine. And that's how we've operated. But what we're talking about is going big. We're talking about becoming the influencer in your marketplace. So the problem is everybody does it the same way. The solution is go big, do it differently. The result is the fact that, and I'm not kidding you about this, when you do this, you begin to stand out quickly. Your customers begin to see a different discussion with you. Instead of coming at you transactionally because you look like everybody else, they start to come at you because they appreciate your brand at a level of commitment like you've never seen before. And if you keep building this, what you're going to end up with is a covenant level customer, the loyal brand ambassador that comes to you because you are offering meaning in a transactional marketplace that they aspire to. In other words, the customers that will be your best customers are one looking for something that our marketplace doesn't deliver very well. So I want you to have this unique value proposition of vision. Put the work in. Do the research, figure out with your leadership team what it is that your vision can become, that you all believe in, that you can all deliver, that your company's strong enough to deliver on the promises that you make, and you're going to end up in a place as a company beyond any level of results you ever dreamed before. And it's not a matter of just taking my word for it. Client after client after client that we've helped do this, watch this process unfold and come back month after month. I'm having the best results I've ever had. I can't believe what's happening with my team. The customers are off the charts. The reviews that we get are unlike ever before. This is the reason to go big on vision.